everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Mrs. Bads, your learning mama. In today's video, I'm gonna make a quick recipe on body scrub. So why am I making my own body scrub? First and foremost, because salons, beauty stores, spas, parlors are all closed due to the community quarantine rules, and that is why it's hard to go out and have some pampering. Another reason is because I'm breastfeeding and some chemicals are not just good for my son. So I made my research and made my own body scrub recipe. So what we need for this recipe is half cup sugar, brown sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of pure virgin coconut oil. I'm using from Human Heart Nature, an empty canister for the container, and a half slice of lemon. So the first thing to do is to pour in the sugar and then the virgin coconut oil. So just 1 cup, or estimate it how many sugar will you be using, and then pour it together with the sugar and then mix it. Mix it thoroughly until you reach the desired consistency, and then you squeeze in the lemon. So I'm making sure that I don't put the seeds into the mixture, so that's why I'm using the strainer. So not really a strainer, but it catches the seeds. So pour it and then mix it all together again. So make sure that you have utilized all the juice and then mix it. Until you get to finish your scrub. So for this, this is our finished product. Make sure that it doesn't get so oily or it doesn't have too much oil. You can try it in your skin so that you can feel it if it's too oily or if it's too sugary. If it's too oily, just add more sugar, and if it's too sugary, just add a little more oil, but don't overdo with the lemon. So for this mixture, it's already okay. It's just perfectly fine. It's so exfoliating and it doesn't feel much oily. This is how it looked like now. It's been 6 weeks since I'm using this, and it really does serve its purpose. It's really exfoliating. I'm using this every 2 to 3 days for my face and my body. The sugar itself is the exfoliating ingredient, and then the virgin coconut oil is the moisturizing one, so it would really moisturize you. Even though you're exfoliating, it doesn't dry up your skin. And for the lemon, it really does a lot of good things for your skin. It has whitening, it has vitamin C. That is why it's really efficient for me. It serves its purpose. I can really feel it through my skin that it's clean, it's exfoliated, and somehow moisturized already because of the virgin coconut oil. So I hope you try making this one, and if you do, please do give me a comment down below. And also, if you have suggestions, I'm also open to that. Write it down in the comment section below. Please do follow me on Instagram at The Learning Mama. I would love to really interact with you on my account there. And if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. See you on next vlog. Bye!